Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick video. Just wanted to talk about lasering and cutting on the same workpiece. So this I lasered with my 7-watt JTech laser. I just wanted to show you how I zeroed it. So when I zero my laser, I fire the laser so it makes a burn mark. And then I have a reference point to put my bit when I'm ready to cut it out. That's what I did on this piece. So check it out. And as always, thanks for watching my videos. Any questions, comments, please leave them in the video. Thanks for watching.